Okay, so last time we were doing this, I told you I was going to make a video on how to do fills for the tiles that we created. And this is that video. This is the fills video, how to create your own fills. And it can be used for anything, really. I'm going to keep the timer up this time because I don't want to run out of time. All right, so look at that. We have the green box, but that does nothing. No, I'm not. Um, if you don't use it to make a map. So what you need to do first when you are creating a map, right now, as you can see, this is the screen where you see what fills you have. We don't have a whole lot of fills. Actually, we don't have a whole lot of bitmap fills. We certainly don't have the bitmap fills that we need. So we need to import them. How do we import them? We do this. We go to Tools. We go to Import Bitmap Fill Styles. We go to Browse. We go to our bitmaps. We go to our tiles. We find a tile folder that we want. In this case, for me, it's Harn Map Colors. We open it. And we say, okay. If everything works right, it'll tell you how many files were imported into the map. As you can see, 33 fills were imported. Now, when we go to the Fill Style Properties menu, and we look at the bitmap files, we have all of our Harn colors installed. And we can use them. Now, what you could do, if you wanted to, you could simply create maps just using those fills themselves. For instance, say you want to create a box. You can just go ahead and make sure that that color is loaded, and you can make your background. You could do that. Or you could say you wanted to create a road. Remember, I told you that the tools here are very similar. You can do that without ever creating fills, but that's not what this video is about. We want to create the fills so we can use them. So this is what you have to do. First, you right-click. You right-click here onto your fills, and you can pick any of these that you want. As you can see, I've already got the crop lines one done, but this is how it is done. Say I'm going to see there's this Harn base green here that isn't green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick that, and then I'm going to go back in and go in advanced, because you have to pick it for it to show up in advanced. So the next thing you have to do is you create a new fill or a new tool. Now, you have to do that. You can't be careful not to overwrite any of the tools that you have done. For now, I'm going to go ahead and create a new tool, and I'm going to call it Harn Basic Green. So it's a little bit different than the other one. Okay, so we have that tool made, but now we need to do something else. And what you need to do to get it to work is you need to change the properties and turn it into the tile that we want. So right now, that's not the right tile. Dirt 3 is not the right tile. We want to find the right tile. And in this case, we're doing Harn Basic Green, which I think we'll just call that Harn Basic Green. Now, you have Harn Basic Green done. So you hit OK, and there you've got your fill. That is how you create a fill in Pro Fantasy software. To prove that it works, you just hit OK. You save the settings, of course, and then you use it.